We begin by unzipping our freshly sourced peanuts, ensuring we capture that perfect ASMR crackle.
We scan the unique identifier on the bag. The green light confirms it's ready for the next stage of preparation. Next, gently cascade the peanuts into the metal tray, ensuring an even spread for the next step.
As the peanuts travel down the line, they are lightly tossed in oil and sea salt, preparing them for the perfect roast.
Using state-of-the-art optical scanners, the automated line ensures only the highest quality kernels make it to the...
And just like that, the pressurized air removes the last bits of skin and dust, leaving us with perfectly clean peanuts.
Here we have the shelled peanuts moving along the stainless steel trough, guided by these large rotating augers towards the next stage of processing.
We use a precisely calibrated vibrating chute to ensure a consistent flow of our high-quality, perfectly roasted peanuts.
Next up, the peanuts go into the destoner. It vibrates at high speed.
Next, we send the freshly shelled nuts down the line, ensuring a steady, unbroken stream into the funnel below.
We're looking for that perfect Maillard reaction, gently roasting these peanuts until they're golden brown and incredibly aromatic.
As they tumble, the aroma intensifies. We're almost ready for the next step.
Here we have the industrial roaster. The intense flame ensures a consistent, high-quality roast, which is crucial for the final texture.
The key here is the slow, continuous rotation of this beautiful old machine, bringing the peanuts up to temperature evenly.
The key here is an even roast, so let the machine do its work until they're perfectly golden. Then we move straight to cooling and seasoning.
Look at that steam. These warm, perfectly roasted peanuts are now moving towards the next step of the process.
As the peanuts move along the conveyor, we ensure quality control, separating the roasted nuts.
As the peanuts move along the belt, this robotic arm quickly identifies and removes any that don't meet our quality standards.
We start with high-quality, freshly roasted nuts. A quick shot of pressurized air separates the skins, leaving us with these perfectly blanched kernels.
As the peanuts tumble through the mechanism, the abrasive surface catches the skins, whisking them away and leaving the kernels perfectly clean.
Here we have the freshly peeled peanuts moving along this vibrating conveyor. See how the mesh sifts out the smaller pieces.
Once the peanuts are properly roasted, we need to quickly transfer them to the cooling bin to halt the cooking process. Carefully add the peanuts until the digital scale reads exactly 100 grams. Precision is key for the perfect texture. First, roast and cool the peanuts. Then, blend until smooth, scraping the sides as needed.
Next up, we've got this beautiful, chunky peanut butter flowing right into our hopper. The texture is key here, nice and thick.
We want that perfect consistency, thick enough to hold the chunks, but smooth enough to flow through the line.
Next, the freshly milled peanut butter flows into the hopper, rich and incredibly thick, ready for the next step in our recipe.
Next, we send the jars through the air rinse station to ensure they're perfectly sterile before filling.
We start by running the jars through this inspection station, where blue lasers meticulously scan for any defects. Next, we send the chunky golden brown spread through the dispenser, ensuring each jar is uniformly filled before moving down the line.
The robotic arm precisely applies the aluminum foil seals, ensuring an airtight finish before the jars move on to the next stage.
We send them through the induction sealer, which uses electromagnetic heat to perfectly secure the lids.
Next, we move the jars down the line, where the automated system verifies the vacuum seal with a quick pulse of light.
Finally, the machine wraps our premium label tightly around the jar, ensuring a perfect seal before it heads to the shelf.
The jars then proceed to the labeling station, where the machine precisely applies the colorful wrap. The rollers ensure...
Once the jars are filled, they move down the line for a quick scan to ensure quality control. Then it's off to the mixer.
After ensuring the perfect consistency, we let the machine handle the delicate packing process, ensuring every jar arrives in pristine condition.
The barrier is lifting now. Please proceed slowly through the checkpoint.
The key here is the quality of the roast. Give the lid a quick twist to ensure the vacuum seal is tight before we get started.